The Speaker, finally, let me come to this story of the vaccine. I have not taken the vaccine because I'm waiting for the Russian one. And I saw today my good friend Ahmed Nasir and his other friend took, so I'll find from them where that is found. So the Russians called Sputnik 5, the Russian. So Mr. Speaker, that is an individual decision. But Mr. Speaker, let us not have another vaccine scandal. And Mr. Speaker, last night I did some mathematics. If somebody brings 5 million doses of vaccine and sells to the Kenyan people at 10,000 shilling each, he will make a whooping 50 billion. Mr. Speaker, the vaccine must be made available free to all Kenyans. And even if it means this House allocating resources, we should not allow Kenyans to buy the vaccine. Majority, 99% of our people cannot buy, again at the backdrop of this pandemic where they have lost their livelihood. So, Mr. Speaker, I want to urge my colleagues that desperate times call for desperate measures.